I am Mrs. Divya Soni from Ma Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road. Today we are going to study something about pronouns. Students, you know already what are nouns? Do you know? Yes. Noun is a name of person, place or a thing. Okay, that we are talking about in a sentence is known as noun. We used to talk about something, about a person, about a place, about some objects. So we are talking about noun. So the words that we are using in place of noun, are known as pronouns. What are pronouns? The words which are used for or instead of nouns, means in place of nouns, are known as pronouns. Okay, the first type of pronouns that we are going to study is the personal pronoun. Personal means that are something personal to a particular person. Okay, if we are talking about one person, okay, it can be he, she. If we are talking about animal, it can be it. Okay, if we are not talking about many persons, then we are talking about they. If we are talking about myself, then what we are talking about I. Okay, if we are talking about us, then we are talking about what? We. Okay, so these are known as the personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? Pronouns used for the name of definite person or thing. Definite person or thing, that means a definite person. That means I, you, he, she, particular person. Okay, or a thing. Okay, if we are talking about non-living object or an animal, then which pronoun we have to use? It. Which pronoun we have to use? It. So when we are talking about some definite person or thing, we are talking about what? Personal pronoun. Now come on to the possessive. As the words indicates, possessive. Possessive means that is possessed by someone. Okay. The word which indicates that a particular thing or a particular object is possessed by whom, that is known as the possessive pronoun. Words which show possession. Possession means that is holding by someone. Okay, or relationship of a person or a thing to another person or a thing. That means a thing or a person who is associated or related with some another person or a thing, then we are talking about something possessive pronoun. So here is the chart I have mentioned over here to make it somewhat easy for you to understand. So there are three persons. First person, when you are talking about yourself, that is the first person. Second person means when you are talking about a person that is in front of you. Okay, then you are talking about second person. Third person means when you are talking about someone else which is not present in front of you. Okay, that is the third person. So we have studied about the sentence that we are using any noun or a pronoun in the subjective case, in the objective case or in the possessive case. Okay, so in the first person, if we are talking about a singular first person, what comes? I. I is the subjective case. Subjective case means that comes before a verb, is known as the subjective case. That comes after the verb is known as the objective case. And the object that is possessed by someone or something or which is related to someone or another person, that is the possessive case. Okay, so I here is the subjective case, me is the objective case. What it is? I is the subjective case, me is the objective case, and mine is the possessive case. What we say? I am going to market. Can we say me going to market? No. What we say? I am going to market. So, I is the subjective case. Me is the objective case that comes after the verb. And mine. This pen is mine. That is, this pen is possessed by me. So, that is the possessive case. Okay? Is it clear? If we talk about the first person plural, we means we together. Okay? We is the plural form of the first person. We is the subjective case. Us is the objective case. What is us? Us is the objective case and us is the possessive case. Is it clear, students? In the first person, if we are talking about singular first person, I is the subjective case, me is the objective case and mine is the possessive case. If we are talking about first person plural, then we is the subjective case, us is the objective case and ours is the possessive case. Is it clear? Now come on to the second person. You is the what? Subjective case. And yours is the, this pen is yours. Okay. In the subjective case as well as in the objective case, what comes? You comes. What comes? You comes. Okay. And in the possessive case, yours. Similar is the case if we are talking about plural, second person. Okay. You is the subjective as well as the objective case and yours is the possessive case. Okay, students? If we are talking about the masculine gender, we are talking about he. Okay. What it is? He. If we are talking about masculine gender. If we are talking about feminine gender, then it is she. Okay. What it is? She. And if we are talking about anything non-living or an animal, then we are talking about it in a singular third person. This is which case? This is subjective case. Which? He, she and it. Okay, students? If we are talking about objective case becomes him. Of he, it becomes him. Of she, it becomes her. And of it remains as it. Is it clear? Now, the possessive case, his, hers and its. Okay? Then come on to the plural third person. Plural third person is they. They becomes them in the objective case and theirs in the possessive case. Students, this you should remember by heart to solve your exercise. Okay, students? Now let us revise once more. What are pronouns? The words which are used for or instead of pronouns are called pronoun. First type of pronoun is personal pronouns. Pronouns used for the name of definite person or thing. That means a particular person or thing is known as the personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun means words which show possession or relationship of a person or a thing to another person or thing is known as the possessive pronouns. Here I have made a chart of it. First person, it is singular. I, me and mine. For plural we use we, us and ours. Second person, you and yours. It is similar in the plural person also, plural pronouns also. Third person, it is he, she, it, him, her, it, his, hers, its. Okay? And the plural form, they, them and theirs. Okay, students, have you understood the whole topic? I hope you would have understood it properly. So revise it at your home and see the video and like the video again and again. Thank you, students.